In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendrop with your Shopify dropshipping store. This integration can significantly streamline your dropshipping business by efficiently managing your product sourcing and order fulfillment. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to access your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the left menu and click on Apps. This is where you'll manage and install all the essential tools that enhance your store's functionality. Here, we're going to use the search bar to find a specific app called Zendrop. Just type in Zendrop and wait for the results to appear. When you see Zendrop in your search results, go ahead and click on it. Once the app page opens, you'll find an Install button prominently displayed. With a single click, this will initiate the installation process. Remember, app installations like this one are crucial for adding important features and tools to your store that can help automate and simplify your business operations. Occasionally, Shopify may require you to confirm any app installations. If you receive another prompt asking for confirmation, don't be alarmed. Simply click through to confirm that you do indeed wish to proceed with installing Zendrop. This extra step is just Shopify's way of ensuring that only authorized additions are made to your store. Next, you'll need to set up your payment method. This is an important step because your payment details are necessary for covering any costs associated with the services Zendrop provides, such as product sourcing and shipping. On the payment setup page, enter your payment information carefully. Double-check it for accuracy, and once you're confident everything is correct, click Approve to proceed. Now that your payment information is securely inputted and approved, you're ready to move on to the final setup stage, which involves logging into your Zendrop account. If you already have a Zendrop account, just enter your login details and access the dashboard. For those of you who are new to Zendrop, you might need to set up an account first. This will involve providing some basic information and setting up login credentials. And that wraps it up. You now have Zendrop successfully integrated with your Shopify store. This integration will allow you to manage your products more seamlessly, automate order fulfillment, and perhaps most importantly, reduce the time and effort typically required to run a successful dropshipping operation. Remember, utilizing tools like Zendrop is all about enhancing efficiency and effectiveness in managing your e-commerce business. Thanks for joining me today, and happy dropshipping!